Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we're going to be doing another car detail video for you guys today. So we're going to be featuring Chemical Guys Blacklight Hybrid Radiant Finish Car Wash Soap. We're going to be using it on our black Jeep Wrangler, which you've seen in quite a few of our videos. So again, this is Chemical Guys Blacklight Car Wash Soap. It's designed for dark vehicles and black vehicles. So I'm just going to read the back a little bit. Produces thick, slick, and rich foam that lasts over an entire car wash. The high suds wash safely, removes dirt, grime, and road film for the entire car wash. So basically it says it's not going to strip the wax or anything like that, but it is going to add some gloss enhancement. It is pH neutral, so it's not going to affect our existing ceramic 3-in-1 wax and everything we have on there, which is what we want. So it talks about shake well, add 1 to 2 ounces of Blacklight car wash to a foam cannon, which we're going to do right here using our Griot's Garage foam cannon. And we're going to put 2 ounces of it into our car wash bucket. So today we're going to be using our Ryobi 1900 psi 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer like we normally do, and our Griot's Garage foam cannon. So we want to test how well this foams, and again, it's not always about the thickest, richest foam. We want to see how long it stays on the vehicle, and then we're going to see the lubricity of it, and then the one thing we want to see if it does make the black pop at all a little bit. So it is getting a little darker here. It's getting a little bit late. We're in the inland northwest. It's probably about 60 degrees out right now, but we're going to go ahead and apply this, and then we'll give you a shot of it tomorrow as well. So we're going to get working on our Blacklight car wash. What does it smell like? A lot of people are enamored by smell. It's a mix between bad grape soda and grape Robitussin. If you've ever had Robitussin as a kid, you know exactly what I'm talking about. What we all came here for. How does this thing foam? We're not super dirty. I mean, we had some light rain and stuff like that. I mean, you can maybe see a little bit on here. But again, vehicle's not ultra dirty. Seems to be holding on really well. I'd kind of compare this close to the sticky snowball, actually. It's holding on here pretty good. I mean, you can see it sliding down. I mean, it is a super thick lather and foam, no, but it is holding pretty well right there. And that's the main thing. It doesn't need to be thick shaving cream. It just needs to do its job, which is cling to the paint and clean. All right, we foamed the whole vehicle. We're gonna let it sit here and dwell for a couple minutes, and then we'll rinse it off. Seems to be holding on pretty well. So one of the things it talks about is a non-streaking formula, rinses clean with 0 residue, black light car wash soap, pH balance, protects wax and sealant layers, ultra slick wash soap, reduces swirl marks, scratches on black paintwork. Experience the ultimate wash for black and dark colored vehicles with Chemical Guys Blacklight car wash soap. So this is holding on to the paint pretty well. We did not do a rinse first. We applied it straight to dry paint. All right, here we go. We're gonna see how well it washes off. Or rinses off, I mean. Seems to be rinsing off just fine. So no issues with the rinse off. Okay, so all that light dust and dirt that we had on the hood and the front kind of clip right here, it's all gone. so it did remove that. Our turtle wax paste wax still has some hydrophobic properties to it after a little over a month. There we go. So the rinse off, of course, is going to be a little bit tougher than your standard Mr. Pink or our Turtle Wax Hybrid or the Ethos Ceramic, things like that, because it's basically really similar to the Sticky Snowball. It's really designed to stick to the vehicle, right, and just encapsulate the dirt and the grime and just kind of pull it down. But otherwise, it came right off. We still have our hydrophobic properties from our Griot's Garage 3-in-1 wax is still on there. The hood, we have the Turtle Wax ceramic graphene wax is still on there. So we're going to refoam and we're going to do our contact wash really quick. And we'll let you know how that feels. Now we're going to do our contact wash. I put a little bit more in. I went about 2.5 ounces this time, just because the Griot's foam can is a little bit larger than most. See if it makes any difference. Yeah, definitely it gives it a little more air in the foam, or a little more denser foam. But I mean, look at that. It holds really, really well. It does seem pretty slick, but we'll know once we get the mitt on there. Okay. One thing it talks about is, staying true towards the time of your wash. And it seems to be holding up. It's not really drying on us. Feels slick. Is it as slick as a Turtle Wax Hybrid Pure Wash? No, but I'd say it's as slick or probably a little slicker than the Sticky Snowball. So definitely stick with the 2 ounces. I could see kind of the film. You kind of get that oil slick film when you put too much soap on something. I can definitely see that right now. So when we do the whole vehicle, we're going to wash it off. Then when we have better sunlight, tomorrow we'll show you what it looks like. See if it makes any difference. As far as, does it make the black pop at all, right? Does it give it that look like when you use a detail spray right after you do it, or a rinse aid that has some gloss enhancers in it? This is really designed, I guess, to replace that rinse aid with the gloss enhancers. Just remember, whenever you're washing, always start from the top down. You don't want to go in circles. Just like we're doing right here. We're using our chenille mitt. Again, the cart is not very dirty. Otherwise, I probably would have rinsed the mitt already. Or give our viewers your thoughts on the smell.
It doesn't smell disgusting, but it sure does smell horrible. Yeah.
So guys, last night we washed our black Jeep Wrangler with the Chemical Guys Blacklight Hybrid Radiant Finish Car Wash Soap. So it was getting dark last night, so we decided to film it in the day so you can see it. So the sun is out right now. It's probably about 65 degrees out here. But you can see it did add a nice kind of shine to the paint. So we did, a few weeks ago, apply the Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 wax. So it does have, a wax coating on there, which does help with the shine. But, at first I thought maybe this was just a fancier version of the Chemical Guys Sticky Snowball Snow Foam. It works very similar to that. So it sticks to the car. It pulled all of the dirt off of it because we did as you saw, a foam rinse, foam contact wash. So if you want to look around the vehicle, you can see it did add some shine to it. It did not leave any residue. It did not take off the wax that's on there. It's still very slippery to the touch, and that was our main thing, because we also have the Turtle Wax ceramic graphene paste wax on the hood, and it didn't interfere with any of that. It didn't interfere with the Turtle Wax ceramic coating that we have on the tires or anything like that, or I'm sorry, the rims. But I would say, it does what it says. If you have a dull vehicle, is it going to add that crazy shine like this? Probably not, but we do take care of ours. I mean, we polish it earlier in the year. We do treat it with the 3-in-1 ceramic wax or the Turtle Wax ceramic wax products. But this did work really well. I mean, you saw how the car was. It wasn't too overly dirty. It had some surface dust, and it pulled it right off. And the best thing, it didn't leave any residue. So we did, when we did the contact wash, we did 2.5 ounces. Do like the bottle says, stick between 1 and 2 ounces. Ooh, look at that ladybug right there. This stuff does attract ladybugs from what we've noticed. The smell, not that great. Is it a killer? No. But yeah, just use your 1 or 2 ounces with this stuff. Going a little bit more, and it had a little bit of residue, but it all came off perfectly fine with our drying towels. No streaks, no scratches, no swirls, anything like that. Worked really well. So we're pretty happy with it. Is it going to replace our Turtle Wax Hybrid Pure Wash? No, but you know, we're going to definitely finish the rest of the bottle. It's definitely worth giving it a try. So any comments, please leave them above. Give us a big like and subscribe. And if there's any other car wash videos or car detailing videos that you want to see from us, just let us know.